Hello everyone. So, bit of an impromptu ratting session here. So, I just kind of decided I'm going to go this afternoon, so quickly got everything set up and contacted Tom who owns his permission, and he said I could come out and shoot some rats. What's the reason for this very impromptu fast ratting session? Well, I will spin the camera around and show you, because this is going to be an absolutely stonking night. So, you all know I'm a big fan of Oneleaf. I've had a few of their scopes now, I rate them very highly. Well, they have sent me their latest thermal only unit. Just got it today. Took about a week to come from China. I chucked it on the rifle earlier, and honestly, about 5 minutes putting it on, setting the parameters up, and taking some test shots, getting it zeroed, checking the ballistic calculator works, and it's spot on. So I've tested it out to about 20 yards from, say, probably 5 yards out to 20, and it seems to be working really well. So I thought, well, that's enough to get me out on the rats. So hopefully I get enough to make a good video for you. I'm actually really excited about this. I've not been properly excited about the scope for a long time, but this, I think this is going to be an absolutely cracking bit of kit. If you'd like more information on this scope, I will leave a link in the description for this video where you can go watch a full review and also get a 5% discount code. Especially on a Springer. I mean, the pellets I use on this Springer, those Bisley Pest Control massive dome head pellets, and I'm going to be very curious to see what sort of thermal splat you get when you knock a rat on its ass with it. So anyway guys, that's enough for me. I will get on with the hunting now. So then guys, whilst I'm just waiting for it to get dark and some rats to show, I just thought I'd highlight those geese over there and maybe run through the different colour palettes. So that's Medical, Black Hot, geez, that looks nice and clear, doesn't it? Glory Hot, oh, quite apt, look at the fucking heat coming out of that goose's arse there. So yeah, Glory Hole, Glory Hot. White Hot, that looks nice and clear as well. Sepia, Iron Brow, it's a proper old school medieval name, that bad boy, innit? Rainbow, yeah, not sure about that one. Night, you know what, this green I think is actually pretty good. I might end up using that. I hope this little shithead shuts up soon. It's going to scare everything off. Shut up, man. Sick of hearing you. Why are little dogs always arseholes? Oh. Nice thing with the thermal is you know you hit them because you can see the matter or brain or blood or whatever splash all over the job.
a baby fish gun.
Oh, nice. Oh, straight through the dome. Ooh, see the blood pump out of that one then. It's definitely not getting far. Oh, there it is. So gonna get a quick reload. Hey, beautiful. Not another one there. Go for it again. Oof. Have that, pal. Aye, shithead.
did.
Oh. Oh yeah. Wow. Messy. So look at that. A cat and a rat right near it. Is the cat gonna get it? Go on, cat. Shit itself. Realised. YouTube that.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that's moving.
I can see it. Still recording it. That's quite a size rat as well, isn't it? Well, I reckon I got about 35 on this night. These are the few that I managed to find. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time, guys.
Eddie! Good night, ladies. Good night, sir. Hit it, sweetheart.